Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you step by step how to connect your Google Drive to your laptop in 2025 so that you can access your cloud files right from the desktop like a regular folder. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, we need to download the Google Drive for desktop application in our Windows or Mac. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for this query, that is Google Drive for desktop. Now, once you search for it, you will be shown this particular link from support.google.com. So you need to first of all click on this link, then scroll down a bit, and here you need to select your operating system or the device that you are using. If you are using Windows, simply click on this button. If you are using Mac, simply click on this particular button and download the setup in your device. After the download is successful, you need to simply just install the Google Drive in your device. Now, upon installation, it is going to basically ask you for sign in into your Google account. So you need to sign in with the help of your Google credentials and you need to basically grant the access. Once this step is done, as you can see, I have one drive in the left hand section. So similarly, you are going to see drive here. So you can click on that, and after clicking on that, you can basically select my computer that you want to back up to your drive. You can also choose the stream or the mirror device option. So once you have successfully set it up, you will see Google Drive folder appear in your file explorer. So you can just drag and drop the files and you can edit the files anytime. You can sync it automatically with the help of cloud, and this is how you can basically start using Google Drive in your laptop in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.